Hello friends, now I'm going to tell about the new chapter, chapter 24. It's about multimedia applets in the application. In this chapter, the main objective is we cover how to get display and scale images, how to create animations from sequence of images, and how to create image maps that can sense when the cursor is over them, how to get play, loop and stop sounds using an audio clip, how to play audio using interface player. And these are the chapters which we cover. And the introduction. Multimedia means using sound, images, graphics, animation and video makes application comes live. This chapter presents several examples including the basics of manipulating images, creating smooth animations, playing audio files with the audio clip, interference, creating image maps that can sense when the cursor is over them even without a mouse click, playing video files using the player interference, also JNLP feature that the user permission enable an applet or application to access the files on the user local computer. Hello one of all, I'm going to introduce these all the chapters in Java multimedia, image, animation and audio and video. We'll learn about loading, displaying and scaling images, loading and playing audio clips, animating a series of images, animation issues, customizing applets via the HTML parameter tag, image maps, internet and the worldwide resources. Objectives. What are the objectives that we'll learn? In this chapter, we'll go to learn about how to display the images. This is the main point of the chapter. How to understand how to get the display on the images. This is the main motto of our chapter. And we'll be able to create an animation from sequence of images to control animation speed and flicker. And we're also able to get play, loops and stop sound by using the Java multimedia software, and to be able to monitor the loading of images with class media tracker, to create image maps, to customize with the param tag. These are the slides which prepared by using the textbook, friends. Okay. Next, revolution in nowadays nowadays technology has been improved, so revolution in computer industries have been growth very well. Before, computer used for high speed calculation, but now it is using for data manipulation. It's more important. Okay, when coming to the multimedia sector, sizzle of Java means image, sound, video, etc. These all types will come under this. We use CDs, DVDs, video cards and also floppies for the multimedia before that, but now we are using only CDs, DVDs and video cards. Demands extraordinary computing power and the fast processors making multimedia very possible. Java has built-in multimedia capability most programming languages do not know. Develop powerful multimedia applications. Java multimedia. The loading, displaying and scaling images. Java multimedia. Java multimedia means graphics, images, animations, sounds, video begin with images. Class image. It is in a format of java.awt. Abstract class cannot create an object directly, so we must request an image to be loaded and returned to you. We also use class applet, which we learned in the before class. By using the superclass of JApplet has this method. Get image means we'll get the image which has the location and the file name. The image location get document base URL address of the HTML file. File name Java supports .gif and .jpg. Now we're gonna learn about loading, displaying and scaling images. Displaying images with raw image, many overloaded versions, g.raw image, my image dot x, y and image observer. My image object x and y coordinates to display image. These are the two elements which are used for the my image, and these are the two elements which are used for the coordinates to display the image. Okay, image observer means it is an object on which image is displayed. We can observe the image in the display, so using this we can indicate the applet. It can be any object that implements image observer interference. G dot draw image, my image x, y with height and image observer. These are the coordinates in G dot draw image, width and height, uh, and dimension of the images are automatically scaled. Get width, get height, and return dimensions of applet. These are the loading and displaying and scanning images. And this concept we are also going to learn about class image icon. It's not an abstract class. We can create many objects as possible. Example, private image icon, my icon. My icon means new image icon. Will store as my icon.gif. Displaying icons with method paint icon. My icon.paint icon components graphics xy. We already learned about xy. Xy is a coordinate of an icon. Graphics means it's an object used to render the image. What is component? Component means it is an object which displays this. And loading, displaying and scanning images. This concept. What are the usage of it? Image icons are simpler than images. It creates objects directly, no need for image observer reference. However, it cannot scale image icons. Scaling. Use image icon method, get image, returns image reference. This can be used with raw image and can be scaled. Now we'll do the example on loading, displaying and scaling images. Is the problem load and what is the problem given here? Load image and scale.java. We have to load an image and display it in its original size and scale it on twice its original width and height. Load and display the same image as the image icon. We know that we should use java.applet, and we're gonna use these two, java x.swing and java.awt. We are using java awt state window toolkit. The java awt is used for abstract window toolkit. This one. The java.swing is used for graphical user interference toolkit. It is used for, and we have written the program. Public class load image and scale extend java applet private image logo1 and private image icon logo2. We have to load the image when the applet is loaded. Means we should use entity. We had learned in the Java and applet method about entity method. Now logo1 is get image. We should get the document base of this one. Logo2 means new image of this one, image icon. Now the method will start from empty and it will end at this step. And the public void paint graphics G. We draw the original image by using G draw image log1 0, 0.